This is Tracy Shine Bright here, your diamond painting bestie and your Poshmark girly. And I have an unboxing of a painting I've had for a while. Vase Avec Marguerite, Coquelecot by Vincent, Van Gogh, and Diamond Art Club. Let's not waste any time and break this plastic. I do not have any completed diamond paintings that are just a beautiful floral, besides a very small AliExpress one with roses on it. So I thought it would be good to get in my whip rotation and kit up a diamond painting with a vase and flowers. And I noticed this one by Van Gogh. I went to the Van Gogh experience in 22 in Oklahoma City, and it was a big room that you sit in a chair, and then all around you on the ceiling, floor, and walls, they have a slideshow presentation of his work, and they have dramatic music, and it's just beautiful. There was one scene on that where they kind of meshed together several florals that he had done that was just gorgeous. But I've thought about trying to recreate that, but I haven't been able to so far. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's bright. See, I didn't realize the red was going to be that bright. Just gorgeous. So here we go. If you don't know, they have their instructions with a coupon code. You have your very large sticker, which is wonderful. They have your small sticker and your diamond painting kit. So this is, yeah, I'm surprised because I didn't realize the red would be quite this vibrant. So I think this is going to be an even more powerful painting than I realized. I thought this would be a very, very dark red. So let's look at the drills and see what shades of red and other shades we have. A lot of greens. The background is so many different greens. There's our black, 310. 2 packs of that. Ooh, that's a really pretty AB. Ooh, we got our chili pepper Satan red, 666. 470. So, see, this is the color I was thinking a lot of the flowers would be, but it looks like maybe that's some shadowing on the vase. And there we go, just bright red. Ooh, very pretty gray, more reds. 141. Oh, it's a really pretty AB there. That looks like it'll be in the daisies and it will accent the table. Green. Okay, wow. So those are gorgeous. Let's see these smaller ones. Okay, those are the bigger packs. So we had 2 ABs in bigger packs, which means that green and white. There should be a lot of that in here, which will look great. And you know, this is perfect now that I've looked at it and opened it. Look at that AB, because it will match the decor in my living room. I have paintings with red flowers in here already, so this is gonna match and be great. So yeah, so another really great thing about this painting is it's a fair size, but it's not humongous or difficult either, because it's 17 by 25 inches or 43 centimeters by 64 centimeters. That's nice to get one that's not too small, not too big. That's just about right. So we do have square drills on this kit. And we do have a lot of colors. We have 41 colors for it. That's a lot for a kit of this size. And then looking here, I mean, There's not a lot of confetti. This is a really pleasantly done drill field with all the different colors, and yeah, I think it's going to be great. So if you haven't gotten it, feel free. Van Gogh flowers at Diamond Art Club. I do have an affiliate link at the bottom if you want to use that if you're new. I may make a small commission, I don't know. I've not really used it before, so maybe you can be the first and we can see. Anyway, please like, please subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want to see a video about having to do with crafts or diamond painting, and I will be sure and do that. Thanks guys, shine bright.